personal part in their swift and continuous development.
The New Zealand liner Rangitoto docks at Southampton, bringing home the leader of the Commonwealth Transantarctic Expedition. Dr. Fuchs' daughter Hilary is there with his wife. Hilary was married while her father was making his adventurous 2,000-mile journey. A heartwarming homecoming for the team and their leader, whose epic achievement is in the finest traditions of Antarctic exploration. During the expedition, there were reports of disagreement between Dr. Fuchs and Sir Edmund Hillary. We asked if Sir Edmund helped him by going on to the pole.
We did, in fact, find his tracks at various points, so that, and of course, I mean, there again was an unknown stretch from the pole to Depot 700, which was 520 miles. We knew, because he'd been there, that we weren't going to hit any serious trouble. We did know of 2 belts of crevasses he'd found, and we found them, slightly different place, but we found them also, and so it was very useful in that respect.